Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here, VST Tech. As we speak right now, Apple is hosting the WWDC, the World Developer Conference. I found out on Twitter that they showcase iOS 17, and for this video, in the very first time, I never seen any link, don't know anything about iOS 17. I am gonna open my browser, guys, type iOS 17 WWDC, and we're going to review, hopefully, the next iOS 17 that will probably influence some Android makers to do crazy things like the dynamic islands. Yeah, we don't know. All right, let's buckle up and start. iOS 17 WWDC. All right. Mac OS Sonoma for Macs. Blah blah blah. Too many things, guys. I'm gonna open the Verge because that's the first article. Apple announces iOS 17. It's official, making its debut on the WWDC. This sounds like something from the WWF Federation. Okay. Highlights include new safety features, a built-in journaling app. Hello, blogging. Is this blogging? A new nightstand mode, redesigned contact cards, better autocorrect and voice transcription, and live voicemail. And you'll be able to drop the "Hey" from Hey Siri. Well, like just saying Siri? Okay. So, your contact boot is getting an update with new feature called Posters, which turns contact cards into flashy mark-like images that show up full screen on your recipient's iPhone when you call them. Alright. Posters show up on the iPhone of the person you're calling, but unlike a contact photo, you choose the picture. Interesting, and that's how it looks like. I like the fact that, it's Apple, guys. We have to admit, they know how to do things, right? See this thing here? This thing behind the head of it. Like, they had it also on the lock screens. It's kind of cool, I have to admit. There's also a new live transcription feature for voicemail that lets you view a transcript of the message a caller is leaving in real time. You can choose to write it up or pick the call, and it's on a handheld device. You're able to leave a message on FaceTime too. This sounds pretty much like what we have from Google and or from Samsung. Even Xiaomi has something like this. Alright, it's here. Transcription of voice messages, similar to what the Pixel 7 series introduced, and a series of feature called Check-in that shares your live location and status with someone else. It can automatically send a message to a friend when you've arrived home. You need your buddy to bring you some beers, buy a pizza, and it can share your phone's battery and self-service status to help avoid confusion if you are in a dead zone. Dead zone. This sounds not good. Stickers are getting an overhaul. Yeah, new stickers. That's cool, right? With the ability to add any emoji or photo cutout as a sticker. This is actually quite nice. So imagine you have, you know about the cutouts, right? So you shoot a photo, guys, click with the finger there, you cut it out, and then you can make an emoji. That's not bad. Live photos can be turned into animated stickers. Why not? Airdrop gets an update to send contact information, cleverly called name drop, which will send your selected email address and phone numbers. Alright. iOS 17 includes keyboard updates, enhancements to autocorrect. It now relies on new language model for better accuracy, plus an easier shortcut to revert the original word. Alright. And then a new app called Journal that automatically suggests moments that you might want to commemorate in a journal entry. Like, is this like AI blogging or what? Your entries can include photos, music, and activities, and maybe how many times you have visited the toilet in the last few hours. No, of course not. Activities, you can schedule reminders for yourself to start writing. It's encrypted to keep things private. And then what the hell is this? That's an iPhone on a stand, right? So they put an iPhone on a stand with some nice widgets. Sonoma. What the heck is this? A new standby mode in iOS 17 turns your phone into a status display when it's charging and in landscape mode. Standby is a new mode for charging that turns the screen into a status display with date and time. It can show information from live activities, widgets, and smart stacks, and automatically turns on when your phone is in landscape mode while charging. You can swipe to the right to see some of your highlighted photos, and it comes with customizable clock faces. Siri will surface visual results in standby. Last but not least, guys, Siri gets also a boost. It finally lets you drop the "Hey" from Hey Siri, which means you just say like, "Siri, hey," or like, "Siri, hello." It will also recognize back-to-back commands. Okay, and all the new iOS 17 features that fit into a banner box. This version of iOS follows. Okay, I mean that's kind of it, guys. So this is everything new. We have only Siri. So hey Siri is just now Siri. Find my item sharing. You have Pets album in photos. Let's go. You have a standby mode, so you charge your phone. You can put it into this landscape mode, horizontal mode, and get some nice information. You get some contact posters, which I think are quite cool. Specifically, the fact that we have these things behind the object, which is nice. Offline maps, and then we have this update to the Airdrop called Name Drop, sharing names. The new journal app, it will actually let you remind you to write some things down. You can leave a FaceTime message, which is kind of cool. Live stickers, checking some safety features. Well, why not, guys? Seems to be intriguing. So let's see. The moment I am getting iOS 17, I'm gonna put it here on my beloved iPhone 14 Pro, guys. I really love this device. It's one of the best devices to be used for mobile video, mobile filming. And by the way, my phone has just been updated to the iOS 16.5, so let's just hope that iOS 17 is gonna get anytime soon in the summer, and I'll do a full review. And yeah, probably that's about it about iOS 17. Thank you so much for watching, guys. VST over and stay safe.